So in this Realtor.com tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to have the list view here on the Realtor.com mobile application. So the first thing you have to do is open up Realtor.com once that is done. As you can tell, we are actually currently on the map view. So what this basically means is if you were to scroll out, you kind of view all the listings based on a map. And if you want to change that to the list view, it's super simple, super straightforward. Go to the bottom left, press on the search button, then go to the top right to where it says list. So if you were to go ahead and press on list, it should change you to the list view. Now my app actually has been crashing a little bit if I were to go ahead and press this. What I'll actually do here is press on list, and if it crashes, I'll then go back and edit this and show you what this actually does mean on the list view. So I'll just do this really quickly. So the app actually did crash, but if you go to the top right, as you can tell, we are on the list view. So what this basically does mean now is that there's a whole bunch of different homes here that are on the list view side of things. And if we were to go back to the map, press on map right here in the top left, it then brings you back to the map view. So super simple, super straightforward, but this is how to have the list view here on the Realtor.com application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.